Alright, Pokemon family, we are back. Today we are outside once again. We got ourselves a little Lost Origin blister pack. It brings this cool coin.
Perfect.
Yep. And it brings a Weevil promo. Let's go. Go ahead, Lucas. Open it.
Yeah.
While Lucas starts opening this blister pack, I'm going to take advantage. Give you guys new subscribers shout outs. We got Cornhole Crucifixion. We got Popescu Radu, Vicky McEnery. We got Gagenpreet Dind and JT Pokemon. Awesome.
Choose which pack you're gonna be with. Choose the pack.
All right. So, what pack do you want to open first?
2 packs.
Just choose one that you want to open first right now.
I will go with this one.
Okay, open it.
These those here. Are they all bring the same code card?
I think they all bring the same code card. I haven't been checking on that lately.
Oh, it's not the same code card.
No, they have like.
Oh.
They do
No,
have
green.
I think.
Gina.
But it's not black.
All right.
Yeah.
So
Lucas can get a
so
Pikachu.
down.
Oh my
Four.
god,
4 to the front.
there's like double of the packs in here.
All right. Water.
No, he said, guess where am I? I said,
And you got it right?
Horsia.
Lickitung.
Lickitung.
Flurry.
that was a spotlight hour like yesterday.
Nice.
Double red.
Cast form.
You were right, Max.
Ooh,
That was
nice.
the reverse.
Uh,
That was the reverse.
Dugong.
Max,
And a cast form. Trainer gallery.
Max, you're right.
11 out of 30.
The game.
Nice.
Trainer gallery.
No ditto. Where you can find all the copies of puppy dogs or
Look at that. They're at school. Look at that. She's teaching. Nice. All right. So we'll put that up there. Nice. All right. Choose another one, Lucas.
choose a shiny Gardevoir.
I choose this one.
That one. Nice.
The Gardevoir looks really good. It's a Radiant Gardevoir. There's a Radiant shiny Gardevoir. I got the Gardevoir and Pokemon Go.
Oh, this one's like taped very good.
Very good glue.
Yeah. It's like dinner. This is like dinner and before.
I like the one.
Wait.
Put it right here, Lucas.
I can get another trainer gallery.
Oh,
There you go.
the Gardevoir is giveaway.
1, 2,
3 and 4. Let's see. Psychic. Porygon 2. Nice. Miss Fortune.
I only have one Pokemon Go.
Ooh, nice. Medicham. Murkrow. Nice. Ghastly.
They all got a
Electric.
hello
Bronzer. Nice.
Obama Snow!
I have a Obama Snow.
Reverse Hollow Obama Snow.
Nothing.
Ooh, nice.
See, I got this.
Nice. Alright, so the last pack.
Are you gonna open it?
I will open it.
Imagine it was the Chogekill.
And at the end of the video, not now, at the end of the video, I'll give it away.
Donnie, imagine this is one of I like that.
I think they're all the same.
No,
Imagine it's the Pikachu Trainer Gallery.
That's a nice one.
If it's a double red, the guarantee.
Okay, this one was in the top. I believe so. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Gold on that Donnie. It makes me weird.
okay, there's nothing. A fire.
Ooh, Lake.
See, I think that one has more cards. I think
Misfortune.
there's nothing good.
Gligar.
It looks like I see a pizza.
Gumi. Rosalia. Ooh, Porygon Z.
What?
Oh, Mark Cargo. Matt Gargo. Non-hollow. That's a weird name. Looks like a slug. Alright, but we did get this Porygon.
I want the pack.
Alright, guys. You guys want the packs? Go ahead. Take the pack. Take the pack.
I want this pack.
Alright.
I want this.
There's the coin. Alright, guys. Don't forget. Like, subscribe. And as always, one love, guys. Alright. You hear those sirens? Today, these are our giveaway cards. We got this awesome Porygon Z and that Mac Cargo. That's a hard name to pronounce. But these are today's giveaway cards for the first subscriber or kid who can tell me what is 15 plus 21 plus 7. Alright guys, don't forget, like, subscribe, and as always, have a beautiful day.